Instagram call problem, showing this error, no answer, report problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all open Play Store or App Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app. If available any update version, just click on update. After completing the update process, now go to settings. Scroll down, go to general. Now go to iPhone storage. Now find Instagram and go to Instagram. Now upload Instagram, and if you are a Android user, just clear cache Instagram data. Reinstall Instagram apps. After completing the reinstall process, now restart your phone. After following all steps, now I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.